Starting today, a new emergency notification system is in effect in California, dedicated to finding missing Black youth and women. Fox 26's Damali Keith tells us how it came about.
Hello, I'm Damali Keith, and this is The Missing. More leaders are now acknowledging the crisis of Blacks going missing and receiving little or no public attention. So California has passed into law the Ebony Alert system to help locate missing minorities who often go ignored.
That our missing matter too.
But actions from the masses don't always support that sentiment.
40% of the missing population are people of color. And I ask any of your viewers to name a person of color who has dominated the news cycle, and they can't because it typically doesn't happen.
California is the first state to create an alert notification system addressing that crisis. Ebony Alert, similar to Amber Alert, will notify the public of missing Blacks, a group disproportionately disregarded when it comes to coverage.
There's a need for an Ebony Alert because people of color are disappearing at an alarming rate, and typically their cases are under the radar when it comes to media coverage and getting law enforcement resources.
Why is that happening?
Many times when law enforcement classifies a missing child, someone under the age of 18, they're classified as a runaway. And if you're classified as a runaway, you do not receive the Amber Alert or any type of media coverage at all.
No media attention often means the missing remain that way.
When someone is missing, time is very critical, and we must reach the greatest amount of people in the shortest period of time.
When that doesn't happen,
our cases, missing persons cases, remain open 4 times longer. That these are our missing mothers and fathers, our children that are disappearing at an alarming rate, and we need to do something about it.
Natalie Wilson, co-founder of the Black and Missing Foundation, says Ebony Alert is a step in the right direction, and so is a recent effort in Minnesota.
Representative Ruth Richardson created an office specifically to address missing and murdered women of color.
The Black and Missing Foundation has been at it for 15 years, since Tamika Houston vanished in South Carolina. Wilson says Houston's family begged for help after her disappearance, but couldn't get anyone to listen. Then a short time later,
Natalie Holloway disappeared. And just saying her name alone, everyone knows her story. And Tamika's aunt, Rebecca, reached out to those same reporters, same networks, and she was met with silence. And we were so disheartened by that.
Wilson says they will continue to fight for equal coverage for the missing despite zip code, economic status, or race. And she hopes other lawmakers will pass legislation to help make that happen.
Damali, thank you. Well, if you would like to share some of the stories we have featured on our series, The Missing, you can head on over to our website, fox26houston.com, and under Fox 26 Originals, click on our series, The Missing, and there you'll find our full coverage.